Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-kjin. So ask me any questions. Today I picked questions related to autumn travel tips in Korea. Here's the first question from Emily. Thank you, Emily. What is the weather like in the autumn in Korea? Okay, so let's look at the temperature of many cities in Korea. First, we have Seoul. Seoul, here, Seoul, located, 짜잔, here, the capital of Korea. And the highest temperature is 20 degrees. As you see here, this is Celsius, not Fahrenheit. So please remember, Celsius is 20도, 20, 20, and 도, degrees. So 최고 기온은 20도예요. And 최저 기온은 9도예요. The lowest temperature is 9 degrees. So, well, it's not hot, not too cold. I guess I would say it's good temperature, perfect temperature. So between 20 degrees to 9 degrees. And let's look at another city, which is Daejeon. Daejeon is here, middle of South Korea. So the highest temperature is 21 degrees and the lowest temperature is 7 degrees. So 21도 and 7도, 7도. Let's look at Busan, the second biggest city in Korea and near the sea. So Busan is 22도, 22도. The highest temperature is 22도 and lowest temperature is 13도, 13도. So what do you think about these temperatures? I really like these temperatures, so I can say autumn is an amazing season for traveling. I like the autumn the most. And lastly, we have Jeju. Actually, I'm hiding Jeju. Jeju should be around here, around here. And Jeju is the biggest island located in South Korea. And look at this. It's just 21 degrees is the highest temperature and 14 degrees, 14도 is 최저 기온, 최저 기온. So, 짠, what do you think? Would you like to visit Korea around this season? Here's the second question from Mario. Thank you, Mario. Is autumn a good season to travel to Korea? Personally, I think yes, yes, yes. Because 짠, the weather is very good. It's cool. 선선해요. 선선해요. So as I mentioned, it's not hot and it's not cold and you see a lot of autumn leaves. So yay, I recommend autumn. 선선해요. By the way, 선선해요 means it's cool. And this word is only used for the weather. For example, you are drinking cold beer or you are having something cool, something cold. You never say 선선해요, 선선해요. This is not used for any items or things, but only used for the weather. So usually it's used for the autumn weather or in the evening is cool, right? It's not hot and it's cool. Then we say 선선해요, 선선해요. And we have another word for it's cool, which is 시원해요, 시원해요. That can be used for beer, orange juice, or anything cool, but not 선선해요. Nope, do not use 선선해요 for other things. Okay, let's move on. As I mentioned, 짜잔! You can see lots of beautiful autumn leaves. 단풍놀이, 단풍놀이. 단풍 here, 단풍 means autumn leaves. And 놀이 literally means play, so autumn leaves play. It just means viewing autumn leaves, and this is what you can do in Korea in the autumn. 단풍놀이, 단풍놀이. And because of these 단풍, autumn leaves, you can climb the mountain in Korea and you will see lots of beautiful autumn leaves. And the good thing is, there are many mountains in Seoul, the capital of Korea. So if you're visiting Korea for a short amount of time, you can still visit the mountains, which are in Seoul. And some of them are paved. So you don't need any special shoes or something. You can just go directly. There are even cables. So yay! 단풍놀이, 단풍놀이. 짠, next. I love this fruit. This is pear, pear. And in Korean, that is 배, 배. Isn't the Korean word very similar to the English word? Pear, 배, 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 and 배, 배. This is how you can remember this word. This is pear, 배, 배, 배. And I found a lot of pears in other countries look like a bell. They shape like like this, like a bell or triangle. But in Korean, they are like apple. They're circle, just like apple. And they're very sweet. So try Korean pear, 배, 배, when you visit Korea in the autumn. And another my favorite fruit is persimmon. Persimmon is 감, 감, 감 in Korean. 감, 감. And you can eat it when it's a little bit hard, or you can wait until it gets really soft. And you can even dry this 감, 감, and eat it later. My parents always do that. They peel this cover and they dry it in the balcony and eat it in the winter. And that is called 홍시. 홍시. 홍시 is a dried persimmon and it's very popular. Actually, it traditionally was very popular in Korea. K-Jin, some activities that I can recommend you to do in Korea in the autumn is 짠, rail bike, rail bike. 춘천 레일 바이크. 춘천 is name of the city, and it's not very, very far from Seoul. So you can visit 춘천 if you are coming to Seoul. And 레일 바이크 is how we pronounce this word, rail bike. Yes, do you see this railway? Yes, here you put this kind of bike and you can ride on this bike with many people. Not solo, but with your friends, family. So it will be really fun because this bike is basically on the railway, and which means it's outdoor and you will have lots of time to look around the mountains and autumn leaves. And it's a perfect season for this. In the summer, it's hot. In the winter, it's cold. So I wouldn't recommend this. But autumn and spring, yay! Also, did you know that there is a famous international film festival in Korea? Son, do you see the date? Yes, the date changes every year. But yes, if you visit Korea in 2023, here's a date from 4 to 13. 4 to 13. So this international film festival is held in Busan. Do you remember Busan, the second biggest city near the sea? So 부산 국제영화제, 부산 국제영화제 will be held in October. Yes. 부산, name of the city. 국제 means international. And 영화 means movie, film. And 제 is from 축제, meaning festival. So 부산 국제영화제, Busan International Film Festival. So during this festival, a lot of Korean actors and actresses come to Busan. So if you love Korean movies, It will be nice time to visit Busan. Next is 수원 화성문화재. 수원 화성문화재. 수원 is the name of the city. This city, again, not very far from Seoul. I would say it takes only like less than an hour from Seoul. So 수원 located in 경기도 province. Okay, and 화성 means fortress, like this, fortress. 화성. And 문화 means culture, and 제, do you remember, is festival. So 수원 화성문화제 is 수원 화성 Cultural Festival. And if you want to see any traditional architecture from Joseon Dynasty, then here we go. You have 수원 화성. And if you visit here during the festival, you will see a parade and also lots of art show. So check it out. Another thing is this 안동 국제 탈춤 페스티벌. Wow, it's long. 안동 국제 탈춤 페스티벌. This is what I went last year. Yay! Andong is the name of the city, and 국제 is international, and 탈춤 means mask dance. 탈 means mask. Like this. Do you see? Like this traditional mask. And 춤 means dance, and festival. We don't have the F sound in Korean, so festival is 페스티벌 in Korean, festival. So 안동 국제 탈춤 페스티벌 is Andong Mass Dance Festival. This is really fun, but be careful. There will be huge traffic jam because lots of people are visiting there by car, so be careful. Go there early. That's my advice. But this mask dance is very, very interesting. First, it's free. Second, I think you can understand it without understanding what these people say, because it's mostly about how they move, and you see how they act. So without understanding everything, you will know the meaning, so don't worry. And also there are some English subtitles in the screen when I went there last year. I think it will be there this year too. So don't worry if you don't understand the Korean language. And even as a native Korean, I sometimes don't understand some words because there were some using old traditional words, so I have to guess the meaning. But anyway, this is very fun. So check it out. It's in Andong. Andong is a bit far from Seoul, so I have to take a bus for a few hours. But okay, and it's in Seoul. So if you are visiting Seoul, you don't have to go far away from Seoul, but you can still enjoy this festival. It is 서울 세계 불꽃 축제. 서울 세계 불꽃 축제. So Seoul, the name of the city. 세계 means international or worldwide. 세계. And 불꽃 is fireworks. Fireworks is 불꽃. By the way, 불 means fire and 꽃 means flower. So it literally means fire flower, which is fireworks. I really like this name. Fire flowers. 불꽃. And 축제 means festival. So yes, you can see this 서울 세계 불꽃 축제 around this river. Do you know this river? This is the biggest river in Korea, and it's called 한강. Yes. So go to 한강 area and see these beautiful fireworks in the autumn. Oh, I really want to see this. So if you visit Seoul in the autumn, enjoy this festival and make sure to check out the time and date. Here's the last question from Helen. Thank you, Helen. What are some tips to know for visiting Korea in autumn? First, 휴일을 피하세요. 휴일을 피하세요. 휴일 means holidays. Holidays, bank holidays or public holidays. 휴일 을 is an object marking particle. 피하세요 means please avoid. Yes, avoid holidays. 휴일을 피하세요. Because in autumn or September or autumn, there is one of the biggest holiday in Korea, which is 추석. 추석 is like Thanksgiving Day in other countries. 추석. During these holidays, many places closes like a bank or post office or even many restaurants or some stores. So avoid these holidays so you can visit the restaurant you wanted to visit. Still, there are some places open, so don't worry too much, but make sure to research before visiting some places. My next advice is this: dress in layers. Yes, in autumn, as you saw, the temperature is between 20 degrees and like 10 degrees, so it might be a little bit cold for you. So dress in layers. Bring some cardigans or jacket. In Korean, that is, 옷을 여러 겹 입으세요. 옷을 여러 겹 입으세요. 옷 means clothes in general, clothes. And 을, object marking particle, 여러 겹 means many layers. And 입으세요 means please wear. So please wear many layers of your clothes. So you can take off when it's hot and just put on again when you feel cold. 짠! My favorite advice is this. Try autumn food. Yes. 가을철 음식을 먹어보세요. 가을철 음식을 먹어보세요. 가을, autumn, 철, season. So 가을철, autumn season. 음식, food을 object marking particle. 먹어보세요 means please try eating. So please try eating autumn season food. Try autumn food. And one of the example is this. This is called 송편. 송편. Yes. This is a popular food for 추석. Do you remember 추석? The Korean Thanksgiving Day. Yes. In 추석, the Korean Thanksgiving Day, we eat this food, 송편. And if you visit Korea around this season, why don't you try that? This is traditional Korean food, so it's worth trying. That's it for this lesson. Today I answered 3 questions about autumn travel tips in Korea. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.